Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
You, ma,
Thank you.
you, thank you. You,
I'm very good, thank you. What is your name?
uh, my name is Jill.
Jill, okay. How old are you?
Six.
6, okay. Which class are you in?
B1, I,
Yes, there we go. High five. Are you ready?
yes.
Yes, okay. Now let's do the chant here. A,
Apple.
B,
B, bear.
C,
Cat.
D,
Dog.
E,
Elephant.
F,
F for fish.
G,
The gorilla.
H,
H is her hat.
hat, I,
I E E mm, Icarus.
J,
Juice.
K,
K K K K Kangaroo.
L,
L Lion.
lion. There we go. Now, what letters do you like? I like.
I like letter J sound.
Okay, very good for your name. Now, over here, we have the hammer. Let's see if you can get some of the flashcards. First one, car.
Car.
It's
It's a car.
house. House.
It's a house.
Duck.
Duck. It's a duck.
Banana.
It's a banana.
Egg.
It's an egg.
Lemon.
It's a lemon.
Kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo.
Ant.
It's an ant.
Yes, there we go. Good job. Now, can you spell banana?
Banana.
No. Can you spell ant?
Ant.
Can you spell kangaroo?
Kangaroo.
Double O. There we go. Good job. Double O. Now, can you do some reading for me? Let's see. Picture 1.
I see an iguana. I want a hot dog. This is a bear. It is a gorilla. I want my bear. I want a gorilla.
There we go. Very good. That's the end of the speaking test. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you and goodbye.